to take charge of the post on all company properties and views and protect perceived the same with utmost diligence. Geo number 2. To walk in an alert manner during my 2 hour of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Geo number 3. To report for violation of regulation and orders I am instructed to enforce. Geo number 4. To relieve all calls from small distance from the security house where I am stationed. Geo number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Geo number 6. To receive OB and pass on to the relieving guard or orders from company officers or officials, supervisor, force in charge, or chief leader. Geo number 7. To talk to no one except on line of duty. Geo number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Geo number 9. Call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Geo number 10. To salute all company from officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officers of Philippines National Police. And Geo number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging and to challenge our person or honor my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority.